guys, it's me Luis. I'm back for another slime tutorial, which is Choco Fudge Ice Cream Slime. I'm super excited to make this tutorial because it's our first cloud slime product to sell in our slime shop at our Shopee account. The things we're going to need for this tutorial are Elmer's white glue wall, brand food coloring, Twintastic borax slime activator, the most important ingredients, instant snow, chocolate brown java chips or foam chunks. Let's get started making our slime. First off, by pouring our half a cup of glue or 4 ounces in our plastic container. You can add any desired amount of it. Now let's add our half a cup of water in our half a cup of glue. You didn't barely notice it, but I just changed my container because my container earlier is too small. Mix it until it is all distributed. Now let's add our brown food coloring to have a chocolate color. Now you just need a few drops of this so you'll not have an overactivated slime or whippy. Just mix the two compounds and knead it until the slime forms. And your slime should look like this. It should be whippy, hard, and stiff, but don't worry because it will melt when you add your snow. Now let's add in our instant snow. Just add a teaspoon of snow, but overall I added 5 teaspoons in the slime. You really need to knead this because the snow will not stick into the slime. After a lot of kneading, your slime should be soft, stretchy, with a little bit of residue. If your slime is too wet like mine, you can add a little bit of shaving cream. It reduces the wetness. Then let's mix it. And this is how my slime turned out. Super duper pretty, I like it so much. Super fluffy and good at drizzles with a little bit of residue. This is the before and this is the after. I'm super duper proud of this. Let's decorate. Let's put our java chips or foam chunks now. Tada! And this is our Choco Fudge ice cream slime. So yummy! Enjoy the ASMR. I hope this slime tutorial is helpful. If you like it, make sure you thumbs up and subscribe. I hope you enjoy. See you next time. Bye!